Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will answer the question, why does VRBO charge for additional guests? Now, before we start with the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel because we are uploading a lot of different videos on VRBO and a lot of different videos on other topics as well in the technology world and entrepreneur world. So let's get started with the video. So why does VRBO charge for additional guests? Well, actually, VRBO does not charge for additional guests directly. Basically, whenever a host rents a house on VRBO, they will actually set whether or not they want to charge for additional guests. Now, sometimes this comes in handy to other hosts because they will be able to go and charge for additional guests and they will feel safe, right? So again, this is something that, as you can see right here, in addition to the service charge, there could be additional costs you need to be conscious of when booking with VRBO. The charges can differ based on the property as well as the policies of the owner. So the owner will actually set up the policies and the owner will charge for additional guests or not, right? This depends on a lot of different factors. So yeah, that's why VRBO actually charges for additional guests. Again, it's not the VRBO, it's actually their option for hosts to charge for additional guests. So it's basically all about options. If you give the host option to charge for additional guests, they will do it. I don't know why, but it doesn't happen on Airbnb. But yeah, it is what it is. This is why it happens on VRBO and why VRBO charges for additional guests. Hopefully this answers your question. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.